Welcome to our lesson about retrieving dimensions. Let's create a new drawing document. And we're on the Place Views tab. Let's create a base view, scale of 4:1, place it about here, right-click and done. And let's go to the Annotate tab now. Click Retrieve. The first action is to select a view. Now let's click the Select Dimensions arrow. And let's select these dimensions. A couple more. Let's apply and cancel out of the tool. Let's add a centered pattern here. And first one again. Right-click, Create, right-click and done. That's so we can see where these dimensions come from. We can rearrange these dimensions if we need to. Just right-click and select Edit Model Dimension. Let's change it to 0.25 and click OK. Now let's go to the View tab. Switch to our model. As you see, the diameter of the hole changed as well. Let's return to our drawing. And let's right-click on this dimension, select Edit First Arrowhead. Here we can change the arrowhead size and style if we need to. And we can also edit the dimension if needed, for example, adding text here. Let's click OK. And this concludes our lesson about retrieving dimensions.